Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chartflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your travel and tourism business. For example, you have a travel and tourism business and you got many queries from your users regarding the packaging, location, etc. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create an AI assistant in where at first we will create an AI agent. After that, whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your AI assistant will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create an AI assistant for travel and tourism, let me give you a quick review about how this AI assistant will respond to your users instantly. By sending any message to my AI assistant for travel and tourism, here I send it a message as I need help. Here I send it. Then you can see the AI assistant will respond to me like this, that I am here to help. Please let me know what you need assistance with. I'll do my best to support you. So here I am asking one question to them, that is, how can I book a tour package? Then you can see it will provide me the process of booking a tour package. After that, I want to ask one more question to my AI assistant, that is, can I customize my travel package? Then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me the policies of customization travel package. Now again I am asking one question. How can I pay for my booking? Then you can see it will provide me all the payment methods that are provided by this travel and tourism. So if you want to create this type of automated AI assistant for your travel and tourism business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chartflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chartflow. Pabbly Chartflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so we will go in this Pabbly Chartflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Here you can also add multiple folders and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chartflow account. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chartflow account with the help of this button, that is plus add WhatsApp number. If you are click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number or verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. The next one is the Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the Contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and also see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queues, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow, where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the records of the actions and events you have performed within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. As we are creating a AI assistant, so I am clicking in this AI assistant option. So this is the page where we can create an AI assistant for our different types of users, in where we can train our AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button. Here I am providing the name of the AI assistant, as we are creating an AI assistant for our travel and tourism. So here I am providing a name. Here I write it. After that you have to click on this add AI assistant button. So this is the starting point of creating AI assistant, in where I can select the instruction type as AI agent. It will automatically provide the instruction. In the next you have to set the temperature. It represents how creative the AI answers you want. After that you have to choose the AI model, that I'll choose as OpenAI. Then select the model. You can see it will provide you different types of model, where I am going to select GPT-4o mini. After that you can see it will ask you for the API token that you can generate from your OpenAI API key page. Then you can see it will provide you multiple options, that is header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempt and fallback message. You can enable this according to your preference. Here I write it one fallback message for my users, so I'll enable this. After that, the next one is the knowledge source. If I'll click on this, here I am going to upload one knowledge source file that I have already created before in the plain text format. I'll show you how it will look. See, it is our knowledge source file. You have to click on this file option and download this file in plain text. Here it is downloaded. Then you have to click on this file, drag this file and drop here. You can see the file is uploaded successfully. Now the next one is the assistant interface, in where you can write the heading of the AI assistant that you are creating. As we are creating an AI assistant for travel and tourism, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided, also write it subheading, that we are online and happy to assist you. That you can write it here. It will provide you an example of the message that they will go to your users. The initial message I'll write, that is, hi there, how can I help you today? You can also enable this display label, that is powered by Pabbly, or disable this. After that I'll write the footer text as privacy and policy, that you can see here, and also provided one footer link. If you does not add link footer, then it will show that as text. Here I also write it the user first message, that is I need help. After that the last one is the styling. You can also change the style of this message by here. Now our AI assistant is completed. After the completion of your AI assistant, you have to enable this toggle and click on the save AI assistant button, so that it will saved. So this AI assistant will respond to your users instantly, provide them automated OpenAI generated answers to your users based on your knowledge base. It is only possible with this AI assistant feature that are available in this Pabbly chat flow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.